11 o'clock on this Tuesday night, October 8th, 2013. Time now for Weather Prediction with PJ Wiggins, the Late Night Report. Tuesday night, October 8th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Current conditions at 11 o'clock in North Massachusetts. 43 degrees in temperature with fair skies. Humidity 93%. Wind speed is calm. Barometer 3.35 inches. 2.41 degrees and a visibility of 7 miles.
You can't just keep pumping it down the middle and challenging these hitters. The deeper the counts, the more...
Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope. Shows a batch of rain showers in eastern Newfoundland. Never batch rain showers in northern Quebec. Patches of rain and showers from the Virginia coastline, Saskatchewan, and North Carolina coastline and South Carolina coastline. Never blobs of rain showers around Florida from off Melbourne, stretching down, and then Fort Lauderdale, and then switching off Sarasota, stretching down to northern Mexico. Blobs of rain showers in western Florida. Never batch blobs of rain showers in northeastern North Dakota down in southern Manitoba. Never line of rain showers in eastern Wyoming down to southwestern South Dakota. Never batch rain showers in north central Nebraska. Never batches rain showers in eastern Oregon. Never blobs of rain showers in western Oregon and food. With a few pelts of sleet and snow around eastern Portland, and never batches rain showers in eastern Washington. Batches of snow showers in southern Alberta around Calgary, stretching on eastern British Columbia, and rain showers in eastern British Columbia down to southwestern Saskatchewan. Never batches rain showers in southern Saskatchewan. Never batches rain showers in north central Saskatchewan. Okay. Satellite look. Patches of clouds in southern New England, stretching down in the eastern seaboard down through central Florida down in Mexico. And another patches of clouds in northern California down to Nevada, down to Oregon and Washington and Idaho, stretching down through Utah, Wyoming, and Montana down to the Northern Plains states and in Canada. Here. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite loop.
Gotta make sure he doesn't eat too soon and get picked off.
Invest 948 movement, 10 miles per hour to 95 degrees. Wind speed 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts not available. And invest 98L movement, 5 miles per hour to 95 degrees. Wind speed 30 miles per hour.
See how frustrated he was.
Travel pressure, northern movement 11 miles per hour to 95 degrees. Wind speed 35, gusts into 45, and pressure 1,008 millibars. Air.
That one that he missed, he was under. He just couldn't get on top of that fastball that had a little hop to it.
And a triple threat of storms in the eastern Pacific. Tropical storm, tropical cyclone 2 movement, 9 miles per hour at 305 degrees. Wind speed 40, gusting up to 50 miles per hour. Tropical pressure 24 movement, 9 miles per hour, 275 degrees. Wind speed 35, gusting to 45. And tropical storm Dennis moving 26 miles per hour, 40 degrees. Wind speed 65, gusting to 80 miles per hour. School bus forecast 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, 48 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, and 2 p.m. 61 and partly cloudy skies. So, bring your light jacket with you in the morning and afternoon at the bus stop. Okay, let us take a look at our 7-day forecast. Goes like this. While you're sleeping over 9 hours of the night, you will see partly skies over 9 hours with low 43 degrees, let northeast wind. Wednesday, partly skies under 63 degrees, northeast wind about 3 to 8 miles per hour. Wednesday night, partly skies low 44 degrees, let northeast wind. Thursday, mostly cloudy skies high under 66 degrees, calm wind becoming northeast about 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Thursday night, chance of showers mainly after 8 p.m. Mostly cloudy skies low 48 degrees, northeast wind about 7 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 30%. No precipitation less than a 10th inch possible. Friday, slight chance of showers, mostly cloudy skies high under 69 degrees. Chance of precipitation 20%. Friday night, partly cloudy skies low 49 degrees. Saturday, most of the skies under 66 degrees. Saturday night, most of the skies low 50 degrees. Sunday, most of the skies under 67 degrees. Sunday night, part skies low 47 degrees. Clubs Day, part skies under 69 degrees. Monday night, part skies low 48 degrees. And Tuesday, part skies under 71 degrees. Peters with a phrase of the night. A wonderful Wednesday on tap for tomorrow. This is BJ with a good night with a good positive attitude. I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Good night.